Hello, we are back with week number 6 of the fiber gifts of this year. So we'll just, without further ado, go right into it. So this time we have got this very, very cool little thing. It is the Knitting and Crochet Toolkit from Akerworks. It might be a familiar name to some of you, and it should be, because they are wonderful people. But we sell the little stitch gauge all by itself, but this is a toolkit that has that in it as well as some other things. And it's actually really, really cool. I'm not really a knitter myself, but I kind of want one anyway, so I might get one just to have. So these will be going on sale on November 26th. So keep an eyeball out for that. It's going to be 10% off. Hooray! But this little guy has lots of cool things inside, and we'll show you some of those. It's got this swatch gauge, obviously, that we talked about before. It's got the needle size gauge notches here on the side, which is really neat. So it's not like a hole. You just kind of stick them in there and see what size you have. It's got a bunch of little pockets for your notions that are magnetized, so it will hold everything in there so they won't go flying around places, which is great. It's got a tape measure. It has a pair of tiny little scissors. And it's got just all kinds of little pockets and places for you to put your stuff in here. It's got some darning needles too. So yeah, check this guy out. Get him if you have a bunch of little notions and things. This is also, it's fairly small, so it just fits right into your bag. So yeah, check it out.